Guess what week it is? Jeep Jam 2023. Hey y'all, hey, it's Beachin With The Boones, and what better way to sit here and have lunch and watch the Jeeps as they go by. We're here at the Beach House Bar and Grill, and it is their our football menu every Saturday and Sunday. So we're gonna also check out their menu as we check out the Jeeps. So we just wanted to give you fair warning if you think you're coming to the beach because it's going to be a ghost town. Well, not necessarily.
Cool.
Yeah, that is nice. That's real beachy, isn't it? So it is beautiful out here today. It's about 67 to 70 degrees and sunny. Absolutely beautiful, nice weather. Like we said before, everybody likes to come down here to the beach this time of the year because it's just a lot more peaceful. Oh yeah, those are nice. So it's a Jeep in front and a truck in the back.
Jeep in the front, truck in the back.
Like all in one. So we decided to move to a brighter table because it is a bit chilly. Brian loves 60 degrees weather, but that's not really for me. But it'll be nice and sunny and hot here in the sun.
I think it's more than 60 now.
Well, 70s.
I don't know what you said earlier.
I said 70s.
Oh, did you?
Yep. Oh, here we go, boom.
All right.
All right, so y'all need to come on down here to the beach house and see Nautica. Isn't that a beautiful name? And look how pretty she is. She also informed us that they have a new happy hour going on too. And is it all week long from 4 to 7?
Yes, all week long, even on the weekends as well.
Cool. So there you have it. Come see Nautica from 4 to 7 or any day at the beach house right here in Myrtle Beach. So just to give you an idea of what they have on their happy hour menu, they have loaded tater tots for $9.99, bang bang shrimp and fries for $9.99, boneless wings and fries for $9.99, burger sliders, crab cake sliders with french fries, and tuna salad. Oh, yum. Might have to check that out. They got bottled beers, Long Island iced teas. Bottled beers are $3. Long Island iced tea and selected liquors are $5. And Bloody Mary flight, $15. A Bloody Mary flight.
So if you're unfamiliar with where the beach house is, it's right here on Ocean Boulevard in the middle of everything like riptides, the Sky Wheel. Oh, look how many ducks he has.
Wow. Oh yeah, he's all ducked out. So for their game day specials, they have wings, rib tips, cheeseburger sliders, sweet potato fries, French fries, all this quesadillas, everything that you gamers would want.
And they have those little small corn dogs and stuff too.
That is right.
And show them what the water looks like.
And look what Nautica gave me. Of course, I got a pink duck, and Beatbox got the little green duck. Isn't that cute?
It's very fitting for Jeep Jam
That's so cute.
2023.
Keeping with the festival of Halloween, we did a Witches Laugh Challenge in our video on the Witches Night Out. If you don't mind going on there and leave in the comments on their name and number on who you thought had the best witch laugh. So just to let you know, they also have a Jeep Jam flight going on here. So if you pick it, it's like a flight of beers that have little ducks on them. So that's pretty cool. So come down here and get you a flight. Thank y'all so much. So y'all enjoying the day, watching all the Jeeps? Well, I'm glad y'all stopped by and spoke. So nice.
To tell them and show them what is on your plate.
So this is the game day flight, and it's enough to feed probably 4 to 5 people. We have quesadillas, French fries, wings, and rib tips. Doesn't that look delicious?
Yum.
And Beatbox wasn't sure if this was going to be enough to feed both of us. Okay. So he decided to go with some boneless wings and French fries.
Wow.
But that's okay. All of this keeps good, so we'll just take home what we don't eat.
Okay, so I'm going to try one of these. What are these called? Rib tips?
That's right.
Let's see how good they are. Oh, heck yeah, those are good.
Are they?
Mm-hmm.
They're really good. What's the spice like? What's the barbecue sauce on them?
It's like a sweet barbecue.
Now, I am a traditional wing girl. I really like the traditional wings, and I like the, what's this, the drumettes?
Mm-hmm.
I like the drumettes, and these are a good hot. If you don't like over hot where it burns your mouth and makes your nose running off, these are very good. Now, Beatbox, on the other hand, he loves the boneless wings, and he got cilantro sweet.
It's a smoky hot or something.
And they are delicious too, and they're good sizes too.
All right, now show them what is.
So we're just going to give you a hand size of the wings, because I know a lot of people are like, I don't want them too small, too big. This is a good size wing.
That's an average wing size.
It sure is. And of course, I got hot, but not Satan sauce. And then here's Beatbox's.
Now I have like a smoky terry hot here for the boneless, because I like a little flavor, not so much heat. Here, you want to hold it? Let's see what it tastes like.
Let's see if he bites against your hand.
Little smoky, little heat. Look at that cool Jeep.
Oh, now that's a pretty color. Our little girl would like that color.
It's a fake one, so
Okay.
honestly, you can use it.
Oh,
So here is a duck flight.
that is
for
so
the Jeep.
cute. So here's a look at the Jeep flights. She said that they have Jeep flights every Thursday throughout the winter. So come get you a Jeep flight. They're so cute. A mixture between lime, orange, peach, lemon, and grapefruit Eddie's vodka. Yummy. So this one looks like a orange sherbet.
Is it good?
That's sweet, yes. I told Beatbox there would be plenty to take home. So whenever we get back from the Witch's Walk tonight, we'll have some grub.
Some grub to eat.
That's right. All right, well, there you have it. That's a look at the Beach House Bar and Grill right here on the Boulevard in Myrtle Beach. Hope you like this video. Make sure you hit that subscribe button, ring that bell notification so you too can keep beaching. See you in the next video.
Y'all got a